What's up? Ryan K here, and today I want to take 5 minutes and show you, actually it might be 10, show you how to use ChatGPT to dramatically improve your resume as you're applying for jobs. And the way I'm going to do it is honestly, I'm going to show you with my own resume. But let's start by understanding ChatGPT and kind of open your mind up. There's a ton of stuff you can do with ChatGPT, whether it's research, brainstorming, outlining, or specifically we're going to focus on writing today. But the key to remember here is it's a magic wand, which means it's only as good as a wizard using it. You don't want to assume that ChatGPT is his magical wizard that will do everything for you. It will respond, similar to Microsoft Excel, similar to any other tool, to how good you are at using it. Now, when we actually think about it, a lot of people think, well, I can just go get a prompt and I can throw it like it's a shortcut right at ChatGPT and then just full send whatever it gives me back. Instead, you need to think about this more like a thread. A conversation thread, a back and forth engagement between you and ChatGPT as it's helping you to craft content and information to apply for jobs. So let me jump in. I'm going to show you how to create a compelling resume in less than 5 minutes. Now, I love your support. So click on any of our sponsors ad on this page to kind of help support everything we're doing here. Now, I'm going to jump over and show you exactly how I went about doing this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. First thing I did, I went to Indeed, I found a job ad. Here's a marketing director job. You can see that here. I actually went over to their career site and looked at the actual full thing. I'm going to apply through here, not through Indeed. My reason is I want to put down somebody's name as my employee referral. That's step number one. Step number two, I don't actually have a resume, but what I do have is a LinkedIn profile. So I went over and grabbed my LinkedIn profile and downloaded it as a PDF so that I have a resume to work from. Now, I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT. I'm going to start off with the first prompt. The first prompt is just, can you help me adjust my resume to apply for a job? Just like you're talking to a friend, a career counselor, anything like that, it's going to come back and give me some ideas about how it can help me. Here's 4 different ways it can help me out. Now I'm going to copy and paste in the job that I'm interested in. Literally, I'm not worried about formatting. I copied and pasted, said, here's the job I'm interested in, and pasted it in. Right? And now came back and said, okay, we should tailor our resume. Here's some different things that we should look at, things we should prioritize, et cetera, right? Application tips. Now I'm going to paste in my current resume directly into the system. Again, not worried about formatting, just feeding it my backstory information. That's going to then have it turn around, say, my resume is impressive, and it gives me suggestions for how to adjust it. The final thing I'm going to do is actually ask it to just recreate my resume. Now, it's going to recreate it based off of all of the above information, although it is assuming that it knows what to focus on. And so if I want to just use this, I can copy and paste it right in. One of the things you'll see is it's giving equal time to what I've been doing recently versus my 17 years of experience actually marketing and doing something similar to the job, which means I need to give it some feedback. The feedback I'm going to give it says, hey, let's remove this experience. Let's drill deeper into this other experience. And let's pay special attention to certain things about what I do that correspond to that job. It's now going to rewrite the resume, pay more attention to those areas, and spit it back out for me. This, at this point, is a great starting point for a resume. I can copy and paste it into Word, into Google Docs, whatever the case may be. Clean it up, use Canva, make it look pretty, whatever I want to do. But the key is this resume is now ready to apply for this specific job at Tava Health. So that's the 5 minutes to writing a better resume using ChatGPT.